Alright, here we have a Frederick the Ninth coin. Look at that. It's a Denmark coin. Got AF there. Very nice. Look at these extra little, almost looks like the center one's a heart. Extra little markings there. I know to dealers and collectors this means something. I myself don't quite know. The dove is going, the cat's going. Here all my nice background stuff. Alright, quite the coin really. A little light in weight. Oops. There we go. 1 krone. 1970. Beautiful crown. Got that extra ring that goes all the way around. Kind of neat. Very different. Alright. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. And be sure to check out the description on this video, as I got 3 books out for sale, and the ISBN numbers are all there, and a little information about them, so you can order it at your favorite bookstore. But be sure to share this coin. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.